GMAX Security Tech Limited is a leader in providing homeland security software and hardware solutions, which allow site-integrated security management over networks with respect to outdoor perimeter security systems, safety systems, alarm security systems, video surveillance, advanced video analytics, access control, fire detection, and building control. In this video we will do a demonstration of the GMAX 4000 command and control software and show demo for integration of several subsystems such as alarm system, fire system, access control system, and video recording system. The main map is the site map that graphically depicts all or some of the objects in the form of an icon. The icons can be viewed on the map or can be hidden, depending on the setup configurations of the system. An object can be represented on several maps simultaneously. There is always a main map of the site from which you can open additional maps. The events table. The written display of the system is based on the events table. The events table displays all of the events received by the GMAX 4000 system. Each event includes the following information: event start time, identifying code object, events description, for example alarm and fail, object type, for example camera and gate, location of object, object description, restore time, acknowledgement time. The monitor video display enables simultaneous viewing of several video cameras. The video screens are gathered into view groups that enable creating a group of cameras that is set in a matrix display. You can define multiple monitor video displays, and each monitor have its own cameras groups and can be located on different PC monitor. I will simulate an alarm with the help of the system emulator. I will create an alarm on the ATM fire detectors located in branch 101 at ATM 2. When an alarm input or event is activated, the CCTV automatically displays the alarm cameras, which will automatically home in on incidents. The DVR/NVR start recording the relevant cameras, including the predefined pre-alarm. The alarms are automatically displayed on the relevant map, along with an audio buzzer and digital voice. Any predefined outputs can be operated automatically. The user can open Zoom Maps to get more information on the event. The online display includes precise descriptions and short instructions on how to respond to each incoming alarm. The events table is a written display designed to represent events that occur in the system and to provide more details than the map graphic illustrations provide. Every action of the system-defined objects that will go into the events table is listed on the events table. It is represented in different colors according to the defined settings and setup for that specific project, and as a result calls the guard's attention to more important events. The events table is designed as a software user interface for the guard. It enables the guard to do the following: perform acknowledge of events, perform reset of events. In parallel, the events table provides the guard with the following: the different causes of the event, more detailed instructions, the ability to write the event's development details in a calendar. The acknowledge has two tasks: system notification of the event handling silencing the alarm in the computer system. The act time is documented in the system and enables supervision of the guard's reaction times with the assistance of the reports generator. The act performs all the events in the event table simultaneously. Guard board. The events table provides a display of instructions to the operator. These instructions can be about a specific sensor or type of occurrence and are loaded as text during the system configuration and database setup process. The operator may be required to present a guard report so that later, during the production of the report, data regarding the event's processes can be extracted. The following is a brief description of the guard board and how it operates. The guard board refers to each event separately. There is a possibility that one of the system synchronization rules will be to complete the guard board. The guard board can be based on actions listed in advance. These actions can be from what the guard chooses from the combo box or from text that the guard will enter during an event. Only after finishing completing all the event details, the guard should click Send. After clicking Send, the guard will be unable to reset the event details to a later time. On the right side of the guard board, there is a text box that contains detailed instructions for the event handling in accordance with the defined settings in the database setup. Reset. Reset has two tasks. Specific event synchronization, completing the event handling. The reset time is recorded in the system. It enables supervision and subsequently managing the event handling. An event that receives a reset is deleted from the events table and synchronizes the object's status. All events and guard action in the system are saved into the database for forensic and/or training requirements. Access control event table is display real-time information on key tag passed through the doors. All data including system events and key holder information are displayed in real time on screen and integrated with the GMAX 4000 security system and CCTV system and can be viewed, modified, sorted, and printed. The user at the security center can observe and monitor unusual events recorded at remote doors and locks. A new feature enables the display of the archived picture of the key holder who accesses the facility, including personal data. Unauthorized entry and other unusual system events are recorded and displayed in real time by the GMAX 4000 access control event table. The CCTV automatically displays the alarm cameras which will automatically home in on incidents. The DVR/NVR start recording the relevant cameras including the predefined pre-alarm. The alarms are automatically displayed on the relevant map, along with an audio buzzer and digital voice. Any predefined outputs can be operated automatically. In this diagram you can see the schematic architecture of the flow of data within the GMAX 4000. The GMAX 4000 system utilizes an open architecture which enables the addition of plugins for integration with further security, safety, and CCTV systems. These plugins do not compromise the performance or reliability of the basic system. In certain cases, additional plugins may be added by the user. This video shows the different ways to open and view cameras. By clicking on the camera icons on the map, the video monitor open and camera matrix is created dynamically in accordance with the number of open cameras and will be used as an alarm or camera screen that opens manually. By selecting camera on one cell of the monitor matrix and drag and drop it on other cell, the provisioned user can change the layout of the video matrix. The user can open a video monitor matrix by selecting from the camera list one camera at a time. The monitor was designed to work on a computer with several screens and on software monitors that have separate physical screens, but can work on a computer with only one monitor. On the toolbar, from the video monitor button drop-down list, choose a video monitor. The monitor view groups display enables simultaneous viewing of several video cameras. The video screens are gathered into view groups that enable creating a group of cameras that is set in a matrix display. The size and shape of every matrix view is defined in the database setup that is performed for all views. Generally, views group together several cameras with the same topic, same surroundings or same location. The GMAX 4000 built to support multiple video monitor each display matrix of video cameras. When an alarm input, event or any other predefined action is activated, the GMAX 4000 software will automatically pop up the video display monitor of any predefined cameras. The PTZ cameras will automatically home in on incidents, and the internal/external DVR/NVR start recording the relevant cameras, including the predefined pre-alarm. The video monitor camera matrix is created dynamically in accordance with the number of open cameras and will be used as a video alarm monitor. The monitor stores its last location and size in its memory, and when it reopens it is displayed in that same position and size. The user operates the movement control, enabling the PTZ camera to do the following: camera movement speed, sending the camera to the predefined settings. The Settings tab enables control of the video camera image appearance. These settings change the display and recorded image of the camera. Click the Start Sequence button to start a sequence of cameras groups views according to the settings. This enables automatic switching of views in the monitor, in accordance with the defined settings in the monitor view setup. Select and click the required camera, and click the zoom in button. The camera will be displayed on the entire area of the monitor view. To start record, select a camera, and click on Start Record. You can record several cameras simultaneously. To stop record, select a camera, and click on Stop Record. This button replaces the Start Record button when the camera is in recording mode. Text of the camera can be set on the picture as a watermark. From the Run Macro button drop-down list, choose a macro. A macro enables moving a PTZ camera according to permanent routines that records their course of movement in advance. The actions can be set to repeat themselves for a set number of times, or until commanded to stop. The macro can control the following actions: camera movement, camera zooming, camera recording, turn on/turn off, object access/secure. The monitor setup form. With the setup monitor window you can create a customized template, establish the template monitor behavior, drag and drop option, insert new camera, remove camera, replace camera, switched camera group view. Those options will allow only to the users that have authorizations to those operations on the user's module. On this screen you can easily define camera groups, view of cameras, and change or delete the existing groups. We have created a new group of cameras. This video will show the macro module macro recordings. A macro enables moving a PTZ camera according to permanent routines that records their course of movement in advance. Today, to any PTZ camera have a similar module called Camera Tour. But the Camera Tour involves just the camera, and not the peripheral system. GMAX 4000 macro control the cameras, and any other subsystem in the system. The actions can be set to repeat themselves for a set number of times, or until commanded to stop. The macro screen provides the following. The macro can record the following actions: camera movement, camera zooming, camera recording, turn on/turn off of dry contact, access/secure digital inputs. First we will record macro. Opening the macro module. Opening video display module. Start to record the macro. We will turn on the lights. We will move the PTZ camera and use the preset commands. We will open the door. We will start recording the camera. We will close the two outputs, the light and the door, that we opened before. We will stop the recording of the camera. We will stop the recording of the macro and click on Update. We can close the macro window. Now we will run the macro that we recorded. In this short demo we can see that the macro was control on the PTZ movement. Zoom.preset camera. DVR start the recording of camera and stop the recording of camera. Digital outputs open of digital outputs and close of digital outputs. The macro is not limited to one camera, it can control multiple cameras on one macro, multiple number of macros in parallel.